What is up, everybody? Quick video here to share with all of you on an iPad case that I purchased recently. This one is by a company called Spigen. This version is the Rugged Armor Pro, and it is specifically for the iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2021 5th generation iPad only. This is the package that it came in, and I have bought Spigen in the past, and they have worked very well for me. So this one here fully supports the Apple Pencil storage and functionality. As far as charging, I do not know if the Apple Pencil will charge, but the Apple Pencil sits right in here under this really hard rubbery type little holder thing, and then this has a magnet on, and it just flips around and then it just sits down in there real nice. And you can see in the picture, there's a picture of it. I just don't know if it charges the Apple Pencil. There are mixed reviews about that, and I don't have it to show you guys. I did see where someone was showing it on the reviews. I will put a link in the description to this, to Amazon, and if you click the link, you can look at some of the reviews, and someone did show the Apple Pencil in there charging. Again, mixed reviews there, I'm not 100% certain, but as far as the case itself, it is definitely a very sleek case, and it is carbon fiber is what this is, with like a matte black finish, and it's really soft on the inside. This one is only $30 on Amazon. It provides more protection than the Folio because it has real nice rubber going around the edges here, and that's really what I was looking for, something that offered more protection than the Folio. So what I really like about this one is it has nice cutouts for everything going around the whole entire thing, for the speakers, the mic. It's got raised rubbery buttons here for the power button and the volume up and down buttons. It is very, I don't know, it's bendable. So it's not like an OtterBox, but I didn't want two pieces, so I didn't want the OtterBox. I wanted something all-in-one that offered the same functionality as the Folio, but better protection. And this one also, you can take, as far as the charging port goes, some of them have a little flap, which I don't like. This one does not, it's wide open. You can just plug in your charger just like that with no problems at all. I'll go ahead and put the iPad into this. This thing will cause the iPad to wake up and go to sleep. It is very easy to install, and it just snaps around and it covers everything very well. A nice rubber protection around the whole thing, and then just like that. I do like Spigen. I've always had good luck with them in the past. It's a very nice case. This part back here, and if you can kind of see it here, it's raised. So when you do kind of drop this thing down, you're getting protection too with the camera in the back here. There's like right at this part here, it's like raised up right there. There's a bump around it, but then right here, it's kind of smooth. But with this extra little hump right here, and this thing being raised up and nice texture feel to it, it's actually not going to damage the camera, and you're getting some clearance and protection away from the camera. And just to show you, when I open this up, you can see that the iPad wakes up, and then when I close it, it goes back out, goes to sleep. So that function works perfectly fine. And I do want to mention that this is not compatible with the iPad Pro 12.9 2020 model or 2018 model. You'd have to buy or purchase a different model of case for it to be compatible with those models. So as far as rolling this back here and creating a little stand, the little flap stays out of the way, does not bother anything, and then this thing sits right up really nice, just like that. No issues there at all. And you can also have it in this fashion here, where you got this thingy back here and it's a little more flat, but that works just fine. Everything holds up really well. For only $30, it is definitely worth it. It offers a good amount of protection. If you're looking for something even heavier duty than this, you might want to check out the OtterBox. I'm sure you'd be happy with that. The OtterBox comes in two separate pieces. Again, I wanted something all in one, but medium protection. The link will be down in the description for you guys, and I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.